I got my standard, and I got my metric. So one of these two is gonna be one of these two. So always supposed to keep both of them. Then I got my pull string. I broke my pull string a couple of weeks ago, about a week ago. This is a 51 cc, and it does pretty good. This is a ProRun, part number PBB 2417. Looked it up, got the part number. Should just be 4 screws, easy peasy. But I also got another one that I ordered. It was $85 off Amazon. I got this one directly from ProRun. But it's good to have two, and I gotta have two. So let's see, can we tear into this thing? Look like 4 Allens in there. So if neither one of these work, I got some more. See, that one fit, but that kind of loose, and that's a 3mm. So let me put that over there. Weight on that one, 3mm. So I'm gonna go 7/64, just too small. This is a 1/8. That's it, 1/8. Got thing bug, 1/8. So let's see here. I don't know if that. I don't know. And that one broke. Yeah, that one broke too. Yeah, that one broke. I don't know about this one though. I broke. All 4 of them broke. We're in business. It's a star bit. So it wasn't an Allen, just a star. The new one I bought, it was a 63 cc's. So if you didn't know, the more cc's you got, the more power you got. And believe me, when you got a backpack load, you want all the power you can get to push them leaves, that dirt, whatever you blowing. You want it all. All right. So compare it apart, that's exactly what it is. All I did was broke the string. I probably could have put another spring in there, a rope in there, but I just broke the rope. This was $40 off Amazon. So basically, plug and play. Put these back in there. Let's see what we got. It's some splines in there. 4 splines, so you can't put it in there no other kind of way. You'll know if you get it in wrong. You won't have no pull tension. But get them all started before I tighten them all down. I think this will be 5 minutes, maybe a 5-minute video. It don't take long. I'm back in business, and now I have 2. Snug them all up before I put that quarter turn on it. I did my research and I was Googling on the make and model number. Once you get that, it gives you a manual, a part breakdown list of everything. This is what they call a starter assembly. Yeah, but if you're in the lawns or just your own. Now put quarter turn on all of them. Oh yeah, I got pressure. Let's see what we got. All right, so on these ProRuns, I'm gonna keep that for backup. On any of them, pretty much, I know on these ProRuns, put it in choke. The choke up here. Make sure it's not off. Make sure it's not off. Put it in choke. Prime it 4 times. It's 10 times. Now I lost count on my ball pressure. Now they said pull it slowly until it act like it want to start. Let's see. See, it acted like it want to start. Now they said put it on run and pull it slowly. Yeah, there you go. See, and that's it. Back in business. Save myself and talk myself at the same time. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications for all small engine repair or anything that I do. Alright, y'all make sure y'all have a good day. Quick, nice, easy tutorial on how to replace your starter on your backpack blower. Alright, signing out. Have a good one.